So I wanted to show you what I'm working with. I should be really ashamed. I'm kind of embarrassed to even show you guys, but it's life. I'm picking it up. So, okay, so first things first, I want to show you the living room. So this is my living room. I have 2 cups there. I filmed a video of my Hobby Lobby haul, which is probably going to be up before this video. So you probably already seen it, but I filmed it right here and it needs to be picked up. It just needs to be a spot picked up. That's all. Just put everything back where it's supposed to be. There's Mimi right there, like a cat, always sleeping. Yep, that's what she does all day. Then over here, I don't know why there's pants there, but there's pants. I have shoes. I need to pick this up, put all this back together. Then here's my kitchen. Just need to probably wipe down the counters, put everything down. I need to start dinner because it's already 3 o'clock. I like to have dinner done for my boyfriend when he gets home from work. Yeah, I need to do the dishes. I need to do some laundry. Laundry is never ending in this house. It drives me crazy. Only 2 people. I have no idea. I have no idea why it's so much, but it is. I think the problem is I don't mind putting it in the washing machine or the dryer, but to fold it, I despise it. As you can see, like I told you, I don't mind putting the laundry in the washing machine, but I hate folding it, and I need to fold that. That needs to be put away. I filmed a video of what's in my bag / switching my handbags. That's why that's there. You'll probably see that video before this one, or you might see this video before that video actually comes live. As you can see, I was videotaping right there using my ring light. I need to make my bed a lot better. So I'm going to start off with starting dinner because, like I said, I wanted to make sure dinner is ready for my boyfriend when he gets home from work, and I needed to get that started.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by.
So here I'm showing you my seasonings that I'm marinating my chicken with. I use an all-purpose, and this is my kicked up chicken seasoning. This is the one that you saw in my grocery haul that I picked up from Aldi's. I was unsure about it, how it was going to taste, so I only did half of the pan, and the other half I did roasted garlic and herb. Let me tell you, the kicked it up chicken is delicious.
Keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever.
So here I'm doing the never-ending laundry. I just wanted to show you what the products I've been using.
Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by. Still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on.
So after I started to wash, I came into the living room. As you can see, I must have felt really silly or just feeling the music. Life's short, you should have fun and just laugh at yourself, and I thought this was just so cute and laughable, and I kept it in. I hope you like it.
Chased happiness, ended up on a one-way street. We're leading nowhere, that's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet. Sitting in the back of your car, wishing for this road to take us far. Now I've been away too long, I'm going home.
I'm done washing the dishes, I'm using my microban and the citrus scent. I really like this stuff. I feel like it gets my counter to be disinfected, and I really love the smell of it also.
A spiritual cleanse where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. Neon lights in the fast lane life, riding high, reaching for the sky. I had it all but lost and fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end. Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I've lost my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting.
So now we're in our bedroom. I just need to make my bed a little bit better and put everything back where it's supposed to be. I did a little video of switching my purses / what's in my bag, so make sure you look forward to that video coming up.
How did I get caught? The walls are caving in. How come I got lost in this endless spin? Why do I feel so empty deep within? Where did I go wrong? Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I lost my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day.
So we moved on to the dreadful laundry. I hope this quick clean with me gave you some motivation, and if you like these type of videos, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.